ever find yourself in the situation, but if and when you do, you want to make sure that you have the best representation possible. Any legal situation, if you're going to find yourself in court, you want to make sure you have a great attorney, and you want to have the best. Speaking of the best, I have Jeremy Best here, a local attorney who is ready to fight for you, and there are a lot of things that many of us in our day-to-day lives have no idea exist or don't in the courtroom, and apparently there are some people that are more prepared to go to trial in the event that you have to get to that space, right?
That's correct, and I really want to talk about the benefits of having an actual trial attorney, because although every attorney is able to, they're licensed to actually go to trial and try a case, whether that's in front of a judge or a jury. I know from experience that there are some that just simply will not.
So talk to me about the difference between the two, and what situations would we find ourselves needing someone with your experience?
Sure. So when I was a prosecutor, and this goes for both criminal cases and for civil cases, whether that's personal injury or whatever that may be, but on a criminal matter, when I was a prosecutor, I knew when I made an offer for probation or some sort of plea deal, I may start with a high offer, just like an insurance company will probably start with a low-ball offer for your personal injury claim. I knew as a prosecutor that there were certain defense attorneys that would not go to trial. And it's the same thing for a personal injury claim. When you have a trial attorney that will actually go to trial for you, they can get the most compensation for you and potentially get you the best deal in a criminal case.
Now, personally, I'm someone who doesn't like to ruffle feathers, so if I'm looking for someone to do a job at my house or even something as important as a criminal case, I'm not going to ask a lot of questions. This is like a fault that I have, but I know other people are the same way. How important is it to kind of go around, do your research, and kind of interview attorneys to find who would represent you best?
Well, I think it's super important that you always find somebody that you're comfortable with. The importance of having an attorney that you can trust and who is competent and who can actually carry a case through a jury trial, pick a jury, and actually try the case in front of a jury, that's extremely important. When it comes to the criminal side of things or the personal injury side of things, like I said, if you want the most compensation, usually that happens at the end of a trial. And in a criminal case, the only way to be found not guilty most of the time is to take the case to trial.
Definitely. And it's not always about the money, it's about justice, but usually they go hand in hand when you're in a courtroom, right? So for anyone interested in more information, how would we schedule that consultation with you, and what other services do you provide?
Sure. So you can call my office at 833-322-BEST. That's 833-322-2378. For personal injury cases, the consultation is always free because we don't get paid unless we win. But when it comes to criminal cases, there will be a small consultation fee, but that usually gets rolled into the overall fee at the end of the day.
Fantastic. And before we go, we'll elaborate on this again in the future when you return. Any tips for anybody who finds himself in a personal injury case? What are the first steps they should take?
Yes, absolutely. The first steps you should take is take pictures, take videos, make sure that you get the other person's contact information, and by all means get treatment if you've been injured. The next step would be to contact me or another personal injury attorney. And like I said, you can contact me at my phone number or on my website at www.thebestlegalfirm.com.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for the advice and all the insight today. When you do call the Best Law Firm, make sure you let them know Coastal Living sent you.
Thank you.